Hi friends, welcome back to the Focus Educators. So, are you ready to level up your career and dive into the latest opportunities in the booming IT industry? So, whether you are a fresh graduate dreaming about your first tech job role or an experienced professional looking for the next big leap, so this video is for you. So, stay tuned because you will get to know some of the exciting job opportunities available right now. And also, if you want to prepare for your interviews and exams, then consider checking out our playlist, which are part of our free comprehensive placement course going on this channel. So playlists are like a pseudocode where we explain each and every pseudocode question asked in the companies with the detailed explanation. And check out also interview preparation playlist where we explain each and every interview questions with the real-time example so that you will feel much more confident while giving the answers. And also check out our logical programming playlist where we explain logical programming questions asked in the companies and the job opportunities playlist. So job opportunity playlist is very important for you guys because we upload daily job openings available and you won't miss any latest opportunities out there in the market. So consider checking all of them and share it with your friends if they want to apply for it. And let's start our today's video. Let us jump into the job opportunities now. The first one is from Flex. You can check out the details about the Flex company. At the Flex, the mission is to simple design, build, and deliver products that transform industries and improve everyday life. Like with the presence of 30 countries, they are working. You can check out and they are mainly committed for the innovation, sustainability, and excellence. You can check out details about the Flex company over here. Designation is Associate Software Engineer. Location will be Bangalore, India. Employment type is full time and experience level they are hiring for the freshers or 0 to 2 years of experience. Salary will range from 5 LPA to 10 LPA depending on the skills and expertise. Again, you can check out eligibility criteria. As far as educational qualification is concerned, they are hiring for the BTech or MTech degree in computer science, information technology, electronics, or related field from recognized university. Experience there, you can check out fresher graduates are encouraged or up to 2 years of a relevant experience will also be considered. Skill set, technical competencies like basic knowledge of programming languages like Java, Spring Boot, and .NET, and familiarity with relational and non-relational database systems like MS SQL, MySQL, or Oracle. Again, the understanding of web development and API integrations, knowledge of data structures, object-oriented design, and software development lifecycle. Again, soft skills like strong analytical thinking, good written and verbal communications, passion for learning and problem solving. Again, you can check out key responsibilities over here like team training and development, requirement analysis and software design. Again, the code implementation, quality assurance and collaboration, DevOps and continuous integration, product improvement. I'm not going into detail because I want you to check out all these details thoroughly and then apply so that your chances will be higher and you can study for the relevant responsibilities or requirements. Okay. Again, you can check out why you should join the Flex company. Like good impact means what are the benefits you will get, technological innovations, learning opportunities, career growth, inclusive work culture, work-life balance. Here we have mentioned some of the tips and tricks how you can prepare for the Flex Associate Software Engineer role. Like mastering the core programming, again understanding the database systems, practicing problem solving, learning DevOps of business basics, and building a strong resume. Okay, so do consider these things and prepare accordingly so that your chances of getting shortlisted will be higher. Okay, here's the apply now button so that you can apply for this role. Let us check our another opportunity. This one is from Razorpay. You can check out details about the Razorpay company. They are they have ecosystem like ranging from the payments gateway to business banking solutions. Razorpay empowers over a million businesses with the cutting edge financial technology. Okay, so basically they are working in a finance domain. I hope many of you must have heard about the Razorpay. They are API gateway, sorry, payment gateways. So when we transfer money from one account to another account, then there will be the payment gateways in between. Okay, so these services will be provided by the Razorpay. Again, the job title is Associate Technical Consultant. Location will be Bengaluru, Karnataka. Experience level they are hiring for freshers and 0 to 2 years of experience, same as previous one. Employment type will be full time. And compensation they have mentioned like industry leading salary and benefits. So they haven't disclosed the compensation for this role. Again, educational qualification they are hiring for the bachelor degree in computer science, information technology, electronics, or any other related field. Again, the experience 0 to 2 years of relevant experience. Fresh graduates passionate about technology and client solutions are also encouraged. Okay, so they can also apply. Required skill sets, technical expertise are concerned, then good understanding of APIs, plugins, and payment gateway ecosystem. Knowledge of at least one front-end technology like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, Flutter, or React Native. Again, the familiarity with server-side programming using Java, C++, Python, or Go. Analytical problem-solving skill like logical thinking ability with the excellent troubleshooting and debugging skills. Communication skills, customer service mindset, tech-savvy approach. Check out all these requirements. Again, the key responsibilities will be like resolve technical queries, client communication, problem diagnosis and resolution, issue management, cross-functional collaboration, knowledge advocacy, and field support. Also, you can check out why you should choose the Razorpay, like for the innovative work environment, learning and object development, career growth, cutting edge technologies. You will be get chances to work on cutting edge technologies over there. Again, the diverse and inclusive culture, competitive benefits. Here with the apply now button so that you can easily apply for this role. You can check out how you can prepare for the Razor Pay Associate Technical Consultant role. Like first one is mastering APIs. In this, you have to learn how REST APIs work and practice basic integrations. Again, the practicing front end and back end basics. So you need to brush up your skills in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and back end languages like Java, Python, or Go. Building problem solving abilities like solve real world technical case studies and mock support queries. Again, understanding payment system, read about how payment gateways operate from transaction initiative to settlement. Sharpening communication skills, practice explaining technical solutions to non-technical audience so that your communication skill will be improved. This is the best practice to improve your communication. Okay. Again, the CRM familiarity, gain exposure to ticketing tools like Freshdesk or Zendesk. So, okay. So, like this, you have to prepare for your role over there. Let us check our another opportunity. This one is from EY. You can check out the details about EY company. They are like global leader in consulting, assurance, tax, and transaction services. With the commitment to building a better working world, EY enables business to grow, governments to function better, and clients to deliver lasting changes. At EY, you will find culture that celebrates diversity, fosters inclusivity, and empowers you to thrive both professionally and personally. Okay, job title is associate analyst, and location will be Bangalore. Experience they are hiring for the freshers. Employment type will be full time, and salary will be competitive salary with the benefits. Educational qualification you can check out like bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, IT or real estate fields. Recent graduates or those up to 1 year of relevant experience. Again, the preferred fields will be computer science, information technology, business analytics, or any discipline involving strong analytical skills. Required skill set you can check out programming skills. They are expecting proficiency in C, C++, Java, or Python, or understanding of application development, DevOps, and operations. Database knowledge like basic knowledge of data structures and querying SQL preferred. Research and analysis ability to conduct secondary research or on company financials and ownership structure and affiliations. Again, the communication skills, tech tools familiarity like compatible with using tech corporate tools, research platforms, and internal applications. Again, you can check out professional attributes like detail oriented, proactive, highly organized, and all. Key responsibilities will be vendor structure interpretation. Again, the research and data analysis, knowledge sharing, internal process mastery, reporting and documentation, goal achievement, follow up and closure, compliance and confidentiality. So check all these responsibilities of yours, and then you can accordingly prepare. Uh, as we do in each and every job opportunity, I will show you how you can prepare for this role as well. But before that, let us check why you should build a career at UI. Like for the global opportunities, again the continuous learning, inclusive culture, career growth, sustainability, focus, rewarding benefits. Here is the apply now button so that you can apply for this role. So now check. Let us check how you can prepare for this role. First of all, you have to strengthen your programming skills. Focus on the logical thinking through coding practice in Python, Java, C, or C++. Master research techniques like learn secondary research methods and improve your ability to interpret corporate financial data and practice database basic like familiarity with SQL commands and database navigation. Enhance your communication, build an eye for the detail, stay proactive, understand corporate structures. So that's it for this one. Always try to go through all those details and prepare your resume and then apply so that your resume will get shortlisted. Let us check on another opportunity. This one is from Genpact. You can check out details about the Genpact company over here. I think it's listed on ANS as well. They have around 1,25,000 employees across 30 plus countries. Check out all those details. Again, the job role is going to be Java full stack developer. Location will be Hyderabad. Experience 0 to 2 years. Employment type will be full time and salary will be competitive as per industry standards. Qualification BE, BTech, MCA. Check out all these details. Like they're expecting BE, BTech or MCA, and the experience will be up to 2 years. Required skill set as far as Java programming concerns, strong foundation in Java, Spring Boot, and RESTful APIs. Front-end technologies like knowledge of the front-end frameworks like Angular, React, Vue.js is a big plus. Cloud expertise like hands-on experience with AWS core services. Exposure to serverless architectures using AWS and Lambda and AWS SIM, serverless application model. DevOps and CI/CD, familiarity with Docker, Kubernetes, especially EKS, Elastic Kubernetes Services. Again, experience with building and deploying applications. Knowledge in infrastructure as a code tools like CloudFormation and Terraform. Again, the monitoring and security. In this section, you have to be experienced using CloudWatch, Prometheus, ELK stacks, and for monitoring applications, and strong understanding for the security best practices on AWS, including IAM, encryption services, and role management. For the operating system, you should have solid background in Linux, Unix system administration, problem solving, communication skills. Key responsibilities will be infrastructure assessment. In this section, you have to analyze the existing infrastructure and recommend improvements for better scalability and security. Best practices document. In this section, define and document deployment strategies, application maintenance routine, and CI/CD workflows. Cloud migration, again the monitoring setup, capacity planning, automation, and CI/CD. Infrastructure as a code. In this section, you have to write and maintain the infrastructure code using cloud formation templates or Terraform script. Again, the security enhancement, collaboration. You can check out why you should choose the career at a Genpact, like for the core global exposure, continuous learning, innovative culture, career growth, competitive benefits, diversity and inclusion. Here's the apply now button so that you can easily apply for this role. Uh, as far as how you can prepare for the Java full stack developer is concerned, you can check out what are the steps you need to take. First one is to master core Java and Spring Boot. Focus on developing REST APIs and microservices. Sharpen your cloud skills, like get familiar with key AWS services such as EC2, Lambda, RDS, IAM, and CloudFormation. Understand CI/CD, work on Docker and Kubernetes. Practice problem solving, prepare for interviews, and showcase your projects. All the steps you need to take on if you are want to join them as a full Java full stack developer. Let us check our another opportunity. This one is from Citigroup. You can check out details about the Citigroup company. They're working over 160 countries. Okay, so it's pretty big company. Job role is going to be testing analyst. Location Chennai. Experience will be 0 to 2 years, and employment type will be full time. Salary will be competitive with the industry standards. Eligibility criteria, you can check out bachelor degree in computer science, information technology, or related field. Experience, they are expecting fresher candidates with up to 2 years of relevant experience. Required skill set will be like technical knowledge is concerned, then basic understanding of relationship database and application support testing processes. Programming skills will be like proficient in Python and Unix scripting. AI/ML knowledge, familiarity with artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms will be a strong advantage. Texting expertise, you can check out knowledge and hands-on experience in software test, application testing, and user acceptance testing. Analytical thinking, strong problem solving abilities, and an independent work ethic. Detail orientation, team collaboration. You can check out job responsibilities like user acceptance testing, test planning and execution, quality assurance, defect logging and retesting, testing document, problem analysis, cross-functional collaboration, continuous improvement, risk management. All these are responsibilities if you are joining them as a testing analysis. Go through all of them. Again, go through the required skill set and all. Then prepare your resume and prepare for the test. Okay. Then our next section explains us why you should join the career ICT for the global exposure. Again, the skill development, you will be get experience in Python, Unix system, and AI/ML testing, which is a very hot job right now. Again, innovation-driven culture, career growth opportunities will be there. Competitive compensation will be there. Again, work-life balance will be enjoyed. Diversity and inclusion. Here will be the apply now button for the applying for the role directly. And here is the section how you can prepare for the city group testing analysis interview. So first one is understand city's business. First of all, get a familiar with city services and business. Again, the revise key concept like brush up on database basic, Python scripting, Unix commands, and testing fundamentals. Again, practicing test case writing. Showcase your ability to design and execute effective test cases. Again, prepare for the bear interviews. Like be ready with the example that demonstrate analytical thinking, teamwork, and problem-solving abilities. And also stay updated. Follow trend in AI/ML and their application in testing and quality assurance. Okay, so check all these details and prepare accordingly and get yourself placed in good companies. So I wish you all the best for your next leap. If you found this interesting and helpful, please share it with your friends so that they will also get help from it. And thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in next video.